everyone! So I just finished filming my first video, my first vlog to come back and revamp my channel. So dito tayo ngayon sa aking filming room na naging crystal room na. I don't know if naabutan nyo pang nag-transform siya during the vlogs before. But let me quickly show you how it looks like. Super gulo na niya kasi we're on the process of moving. So this is a day in my life. It started really late. It's already 2 p.m. Quick room tour of my crystal workroom. So, meron ako ditong computer space. So, before parang ito yung nandyan dyan. Yan, yung vanity mirror na yan. I have my abundance corner with all my crystal citrines. And I have Ruti. And I have an altar for manifesting abundance and fortune in my life. I have a little corner right here, printer. And then I have so many crystals. Dati isang ano lang to, isang push cart. Ngayon tatlo na sila. Actually, 4 pa meron doon. And then I bought this L-shaped table from IKEA for like 12,000 I think. Pero sobrang ganda naman niya guys. Matibay. And then, ayan. Andito yung kama dati. Kung naalala nyo. Yung bed was there. And everything. So, napalitan na siya. And yeah. Here are more crystals. More crystals inside these bags. Yung mga crystals ko na nandito sa table, tinanggal namin kasi nasira yung bubong nito a few days ago. Kita nyo may mga mark, nagbaha siya. So, yung mga crystals na yan, sorry nakakahilo, andyan siya ngayon, tinuyo muna namin. And ibabalot ko na rin siya isa-isa, so hindi na kami mahirapan pag nag-move. I also want to introduce you to my babies, my dolls, my protectors. So, ayan. Starting from this one, ang ganda niya. Oh, this is Lucinda. This is Dominique. This is Marie. So, gift to sa akin ni Doktora siya, yung friend ko. This is Maddie. This is Bella. This is my first ever doll. It's a mermaid, of course. And this is Esme. Yan, medyo witchy siya. And this is my Gossip Girl inspired doll. This is Cece. And this is also a gift from her friend, Keisha. So, I named her Kish. Hindi nawala ang aking full body mirror. Hindi ko na binuksan yung ilaw. Hello, buksan natin. Ayan pala, mas better pag nakabukas. Super love this iMac. It's a pink iMac. I bought this from JM Store. Napakadali nilang ka-transact. And this pink table I just found sa marketplace. Andito na ang aking asawa and nabulunan siya. Nangyari sa'yo. Bye. I'm on my way to work and pole class.
Work.
Yeah. Bye, babe. Yeah. Go-work out siya. Kasi share ko din pala sa inyo yung recent struggle namin sa cholesterol ni Dean. I'm still working while going to the cafe. Ayan si Clyde. Siya yung lagi nag-drive sa akin papuntang cafe and pole studio. I'm just talking to my business partners for our plans. And yes, mga 15 minutes nandun na tayo sa cafe. Ayan, we're here na. As you can see, ayun yung aking pole studio. After Babe and friend ko yung may-ari ng Candy and Ada. Yung cafe ko nandun sa loob ng Ada Spa. And here we are na sa building. So, let's go down. Ayan, akit na tayo. We're located on the 3rd floor. So, medyo maraming akyat ang ating gagawin. Workout na talaga to. Nakapagod ulit ng stairs. Ayan na. Tignan na yung aking bagong business. Hi, Sir Ricky! Alisa mo kayo kasi. Hi! Mga clients ko sa... Thank you! Bye-bye. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. Here's the cafe from the outside. Ay, yung barista ko niya. Alam nandito. Si Ian. Pamangkin niya ng friend ko. So, here is the spa. Hello. So, ayan. This is my friend's spa. And the cafe is inside the spa. Cafe Serene. And we also have the crystals here sa business namin. Ayan. Dami. Buksan ko yung ilaw later so you'll see. Si Ian, aking barista. And si Miko, anak ni Miss Brenda. Hello. Mamaya tour ko kayo dun sa spa nila. Bati naman tayo dun sa aking friendship, si Miss Brenda. Siya may-ari ng Candy and Ada Wellness Spa. Pag-business partner ko. Do have my cafe. We're here. Ayun na si Madam. Say hi to my vlog. Yes, nag-restart ako ng vlog ko. Oh, ayun si JB. Say hello.
Ang ganda ni Ma.
Kasi si daming clients. Ayan guys, andito pala yung friend kong madam at mayaman eh. Oh. Guys, follow nyo yung kanyang FB page, Honey's Fashion Wear Clothing. Daming mga binibenta yung magagandang clothes. Lagay ko dito sa caption ng kanyang FB page. So, kung gusto nyo magpaputi, magpaganda, bisitahin nyo kami dito sa Candy, sa may Las Piñas, Alabang Sapot. Ayan yung mga machines nila. My favorite is the M-Sculpt. I'm not sure. Ayun pala, na kay Madam palang M-Sculpt. Lumabas yung abs ko dito, mga sis, sa M-Sculpt na to. Kaya, if you're from the south or even from the north, layuin nyo kami dito dahil talaga namang gaganda at si sexy ka dito.
Kagaya ko
Like me! Art! Dito naman yung pole studio kung saan ako nagpo-pole. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin kung may tao na at training dito. Ayan. Hi, Ate Mahal! Say hi to my vlog! Yes! Tingnan natin kung sino nandito. Ayan! May tao na. Hi, Teach Mars! Say hi to my vlog! He's one of the teachers dito sa Afro Babe. Ayan si Doc! Magpa-practice sila, makiusyoso tayo. Oh, Pak. Kung gusto ninyo ng pole fitness, you can visit us here.
Ay, wala pa pala dito.
Grabe, oh. Go, Doc! Isa lang to sa mga naging development sa buhay ko. Sa 2 taon na hindi ako nag-vlog. Siguro 1 year na. Sa August is 1 year na. Ay! Napasigaw ako! So here sa Ada, they have this area where you can get your nails done, foot massage, nail art. Very relaxing. Sobrang bango dito, guys. And of course, they have a mirror that says you're beautiful. As we all are. Ayan, so they offer that kind of service. And here, meron bang clients sa loob nito? May client? Ay, mamaya na lang.
No?
Oh, baby, baby. How was I to know? Guys, sa aking pole mom! Nagbablog na ako, Teach. And my pole twin! Yes, ready na tayo, guys. Hello! So, hindi ko pwede ipakita pa yung practice kasi sa August 4 pa siya ilalabas for the recital. But yes! But look at my heels. It's so pretty. Na-break-in ko na siya today. Opa. Yung mga pole mates ko. This is Lori. Hi, Lori. This is Pat. And Jamie. Grabe siya, oh.
Over 15 minutes. Yan. Tapos wide pa. Sige. Ano na? Mukha ka, Ben. Mukha ka. Hupad ng polo.
Ano?
Yes. Si Teacher. Hupad. We're tired.
Bye!
Mag-ubad lang na.
Bye! Bye, Teach. Bye, lady. Bye, me. Alis na ako. Punta pa kami Baclaran. Baclaran day today. Bye-bye! Uwi na tayo. Sarado na rin ang spa, the cafe, and candy. Now, going home and gonna eat dinner first and then punta kami ng punta kami ng Baclaran because it's Wednesday. We're here. Ayan ang Baclaran Church at ayan, ang dami ng mga vendors sa labas.
Ano? Counterflow.
Wala, 1 year lang to.
Ganyan na siya, guys. Mukha na talaga siyang
Look at that one. It has gold.
market. Ayan o. May mga cellphone, emeralds, may basta lahat ng bibili.
Hats, Crocs.
Ayan, dito kami sa loob magpa-park. So, ayan. It's the three of us again. Last week, andito rin kami. Kasama namin si Mama, Papa, Riley. So, we're going to the candle area now. Ayan, si Santo Niño. Diyan ako lagi nagdadasal before para maging okay na tayo sa fam ko, day. During GMA days like 2016. And of course, kay Jesus here also. And now, we're going to what? Light up
Light
na-
candles.
Candles. How many? How many did you get?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. I usually get like 8 to pray for my family, for Din's family, for me and Din, for my friends, for everyone in the world. We're home, guys, and we're gonna get ready to bed. Si Din nanonood ng John Wick. Ako naman, kaka-upload ko lang nung film kong vlog kanina, and I'm so overwhelmed kasi a few seconds pa lang after I uploaded, may mga comments na. So, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Guys, 16 seconds ago, 1 minute ago, after I uploaded, nag-comment na agad sila. Hello, shout out sa inyo. Thank you. Yan na siya. Hinahanap yung lahat. Say good night. 2 years kasi tayong walang vlog.
Ha?
So, hinahanap ka nila. Say hello and good night.
Hello and good night.